Hey everyone, so in today's video we'll learn how to make this puff flower with the crochet. Okay, for that I have taken 2.5 mm hook size and this acrylic yarn. So first step for this is that we'll start with the magic chain. Okay, for after making magic chain we'll make one magic. After making this magic loop we will make first chain, then we'll do 12 single crochet. We have done 7 single crochet till now. I'll just make this stitch little bit tighter with this thread. So we have made total 12 chain single crochet. After 12 single crochet we will do a slip stitch. It will be like this. Okay, we'll just pull this starting point from this so that the hole will be smaller. Now we will make 4 chains, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, and to make this puff look like this, okay, what we'll do is we'll yarn over, then in that same loop we will take yarn like this and we will keep this two out like this. So in that same loop we will do this once again. Now in the next chain we will do it 3 times. 1 2 and 3. After this we will keep this last chain and this one like this and again we'll yarn through it. Then we'll make 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. After that in that same chain we will do a slip stitch like this. Okay, we just have to adjust this to make the pattern more visible. Okay. Now same we have to repeat 4 chain and the same pattern, so we will get total 6 petals, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, I will show you once again. Okay, so I'll meet you after finishing all this step. So I have already completed this, and I'll just show you. I just made this 3 chain, and in the last chain I have done slip stitch, and this is how I have completed. Okay, just take it from this. Okay, and to adjust this, I'll just now, as you can see, there is a big hole in the center, so I'll just pull this chain from here. Okay, and adjust the petals. And that is how it looks.